What's up guys, it's me Lego Paradise here, and today I'm going to show you how to build working Lego drawers. This includes two styles of functional minifigure scale cabinets, which each feature opening drawers that can be pulled out to store whatever Lego accessories that you want. For example, it's currently a pocket watch and some cutlery. Well, if we place that down and open up the slightly wider sideways drawer cabinet, this one is stocked up with a set of playing cards and a key. Plenty of space for all sorts of different accessories. And as an added bonus, both of these drawers are locked into place inside each of the cabinets, which means they don't fall out when you tip the drawer units up. And it's really easy to pack stuff in there. Just open up the drawer and then load it up with your item of choice. I'll show you how to build both of these styles of drawers, starting with the slightly larger sideways cabinet. Here are all the pieces you'll need to build the wide drawer, and I'm using these cool wooden panel window pane pieces, but if you don't have these, you can also use the standard lattice windows since they're a bit more common, but I'm using these wooden effect ones for that nice wooden finish. So we can begin by taking these 1x1 bricks with the studs on the sides and attaching some 1x2 bricks to the side, as well as a couple of 1x1 plates just on the top there. Then a 1x6 plate over on the bottom, and mirror that design over on the other side to finish the outside frame of the drawer. And clip the second one just like that, and we can secure all that in place with some 1x2 tiles on the sides and a 1x4 tile right in the middle. And then after we've built that, swing that around and place a round 1x1 tube in the centre, as well as a couple of 1x1 studs to extend the height, and then finish that part off with a 1x1 plate or a 1x2 plate facing upwards like this, and you'll see what that's for in just a little bit when we build the drawers. So these will make use of these window pieces, and they're almost ready. Just clip a 1x2 tile over on the end that will act as a stopper for each of the drawers, and also attach some of these cool flower pieces for the handles, and they work really nicely because they give you a little notch at the top where you can pull the drawers out. So do the same for both of your drawers. And now they're ready to go inside of the frame. So I'll show you how this works. Basically, you have each of the drawers, they sit side by side, and you'll see this is what this little bit at the end is for. So that sticks out and prevents the drawers from sliding backwards. And in the same type of mechanism, this little 1x2 tile on the end prevents the drawers from sliding out. So that way you have a little stopper on both ends, and the drawers are nice and securely locked in place. And all that's left to do now is to build the top of the cabinet. And obviously you can customize this by just using 3 2x3 plates and some 1x6 tiles, but you can place some objects and decoration on top if you'd like. And that just simply clips over everything, sandwiching it all in place. And now you should be able to pull out your drawers, and they should slide in very neatly. And here's what that looks like from the back. So you'll see that the round windows are stopped by this 1x2 plate in the middle. So that's how you build the wide style. And now let's take a look at how to build this shorter double drawer unit. And here's what you'll need to build that. This features a similar construction, except this time we'll start with a 1x4 plate with the two studs on either side, and two 1x3 plates over there. Then underneath the 1x3 plates, attach these 1x2 plates with the slots on the side that will provide some support to each of the drawers. And then continue building that up with some 1x1 headlight bricks facing this way. It's very important that these are headlight bricks and not just the regular bricks with the studs on the side. You'll need that extra indentation because that's where you'll clip this 1x4 curved slope piece. and that just looks a bit nicer that way, and also provides the backrest for each of the drawers. Then clip a couple of 1x2 bricks in the gaps, and some 1x3 plates over on the top there. So that will secure all of that in place. And now for the actual drawers, these will use a slightly different design to the other drawers. So for these, just attach a 1x1 quarter round tile or a pizza slice piece so that it sticks out. You can see just that little triangle at the end there, and that's what's going to hold the drawer in place, keep it from sliding out. And another minor difference is if you're building these handles using these flower pieces, just make sure that they're rotated around so that the flower petals don't stick out. And repeat the same for the second drawer. Although for this second drawer you don't actually have to include this stopper, but I'll include that just so that both of the drawers are secured in place. And to secure them, you just basically slide that in. If we take a look at that from the back, you'll see that the bottom of that quarter round tile fits through this slot in between the two slotted 1x2 bricks, and you'll see how it stops right at the end there just before it goes out of the drawer unit, and that's what secures this whole drawer in place. So similar to the wider drawer style, but slightly different. And then same thing with this other one on the top, and each of those should also slide in and out. And then you can quite simply finish this off with some 1x4 tiles. And you can test that out, make sure that both of those drawers slide in and out of the drawer unit. I hope you enjoyed building these working Lego drawers, and if you did, then please let me know what you think of them in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for even more Lego creations. And as always, a big thank you to all of my supporters on Patreon for helping to make my videos possible. If you'd like to support me and get access to exclusive videos and many more exciting benefits, the link for that will also be in the description. I'll see you guys next time with more Lego creations, and thanks for watching.